Hello, and we're gonna be opening gifts. This one is from I don't know who. This is from William. Yay! This is from William. This is Brayden's. Take what's your $25.
Oh, thanks.
Oh my God! Yay! Yay! I got a Smisky. It's a cheer one. Thank you, William. Thank you for the card. Next one. This is from Benjamin.
Oh, Starbucks gift card from Ava. Thank you.
So now I'm gonna open the gift that Benjamin gave me. Yay! Thank you, Benjamin. Thank you for Yay! Thank you for the 2 Smiskies, Benjamin. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the card. Thank you. Anyway, next one. I don't know who gave me this. Thank you, Brooklyn! Yay! This is from Brooklyn to me and Brayden.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know who this is, but I'll have it because Brayden doesn't want it. I don't know what this is, but I'll have it too. And whatever this is, Brayden will have it.
Oh.
Thank you! Yay! Okay, next one. I don't know who this is from. This is from Violet. To me only. So in here I have slime. Yay! Thank you. And I also got Smisky. Yay! Thank you. And yeah, I got a gift card. Now we have this.
I got Amazon gift card from Elise. Thank you.
My turn. Okay, we're gonna open the cards now. This is from Kalino. Let's open it. Whoa, what is it? Yay! I got a Target gift card! Yay! Yeah.
I got a Robux gift card from Ben. Thank you.
Now let's open this yellow one that I don't know who's from. Oh, it's Isabella. Who's this from? What is this? It doesn't say the amount on here. Anyway, I got this. Thank you, Isabella! Yay!
I got the same thing. Thank you, Isabella.
Next one. This is from... It doesn't say who it's from. Whoever gave me this, thank you for the $25 Visa gift card. Yay! Anyway, this is from Matthew. Let's see what Matthew gave me. Wait, it doesn't say which Matthew though. Thank you, Matthew, for the $50 you gave me. Thank you. I think I know who Matthew this is. Sorry.
I got a Robux gift card from Benjamin. Thank you, Benjamin.
Oh, you know, I got this from Izzy, which doesn't say. Thank you, Izzy, for the $50 Visa gift card. Is this a Visa gift card? I don't know. But thank you! Yay!
I got $50 from Matthew R. Thank you.
There's more. I don't know who this is for. They just gave it here. Oh, okay, this is
also
mine.
Whoever gave this Visa gift card, thank you.
Yay! Thank you, Noah, for the $25. Yay!
Thank you, Noah, for the $25.
Oh, this is from Anne Marie. Yeah. Open up. No. Open the one from Anne Marie. Did she give you one? I don't know. I don't know. Let's open this one. Thank you, Anne Marie, for the $100. Thank you, yay!
Thank you for the Amazon gift card, Violet.
Go inside. Okay. This is from Ben. Thank you, Ben, for the 25 Starbucks gift card. Thank you. Wait. Yay!
Thank you, Colino, for the Amazon gift card.
No.
This
Open
was
this
first.
first. No. No, my bad. Yeah. This is from Jordan. For me and Brayden. Holy. Thank you, Jordan, for the $25 gift card from Amazon. Yay!
Thank you, Jordan.
Okay, it doesn't have a name on it. It's pink and I like it, so let's open it. It's a cat. It doesn't have a name on it. But it says Shantel and it's movies. Thank you for the $25 movie gift card. Thanks. I don't know who this is, but it doesn't have a name on it, but thank you. It doesn't have a name on it.
Let's see.
Dang! Who gave you that?
Thank you, Arturo, for the $27 gift. $27.
What's this?
Oh, what?
Oh wow, Mihi, package is so nice. I don't know how much this is. Thank you, Mihi, for the $25 gift card for Amazon. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you to whoever gave the $25 gift card of Amazon.
Thank you, Aiden, for the $40 gift card for Amazon gift card. Yay! Is that mine?
That's like
I can't tell. I don't know if this is mine, but if it is, thank you, Arturo, for the $25 gift card. If this is mine, this isn't mine. That's
not a gift card.
I mean, money. Sorry, I keep forgetting.
Thank you to whoever gave the $25 movie tickets.
Yeah, they didn't put a name on it. They gave me the one too. Oh, thank you. Oh, let's see what Aaron gave me. Oh, this is part of the thingy. Okay. Thank you, Aaron. Is this part of it? Yeah, it is. Thank you, Aaron, for the Amazon gift card. Yay!
Thank you, Izzy, for the $50 Visa gift card.
Let's open this from Catherine. I know their location. Never mind, I don't. I kind of need scissors. Never mind, I don't. Thanks. Never mind, I do need scissors. Never mind, I don't. Oh, stop it. I need scissors. I need scissors. I need scissors.
Okay, chill.
I need scissors. Thank you.
Thank you, Dante,
Oh,
for the Robux gift card.
thank you, Catherine, for this very, very big squishmallow. Thank you. Yay! Yay! Thank you.
I think.
This is from Dante. Oh, you love the packaging. It doesn't say. Thank you, Dante, for the Amazon gift card. And doesn't say what. Does it say your name on this one? From who's this from? Stop.
Yo, what is it?
Oh, it's Ava. Thank you, Ava. Thank you, Ava, for the Starbucks gift card and the sunglasses. I love it. Thank you. Yay! And thank you, Ben, for the arcade. The arcade gift you gave me. I love this. Thank you. Anything in here? No. I don't know who gave me this. Where is it? There. This is Happy Birthday, Chantel. It's a Lululemon bag. Thank you, whoever gave this to me.
But you have to take the card inside.
Oh, thank you, Elise, for the Lululemon bag. And last one, $25 from. What does it even say the name?
No, it's not Lululemon bag. It's Lululemon.
I don't care. Oh, Lululemon. I don't know who gave me this, but whoever gave me this Amazon gift card with $25, thank you! Yay! Thank you, everybody.
Yay.
Yay. Also, thank you, Catherine, for this and your card. Thank you, yay!
Thank you, Aiden, for the $40 Amazon gift card.
Hello, and let's open some Smiskies that Benjamin, Violet, thank you, Benjamin, for 2 of the Smiskies that Benjamin, Violet, and William got me. So let's start with the cheer edition that Violet and William got me. I don't know which one who gave me, so I'm just gonna open both of them. It was my first time! Sorry. Okay, I'm so excited. So out of all of this one, I want the one that has the percussion or the one that has 2 people. I think I got the one with 2 people. I don't know where the scissors went. Okay. Never mind, I didn't get the one with 2 people. I got the one with... I got this one. It's so cute. It's so cute. I got the one with wig, I think. My favorite one. Okay, next one. This is from William, I think. Actually, no, I don't know, because I opened the one from Violet and William. So let's open this one. I swear to... I don't know which one this one is. Hope it not to be a duplicate. I'm gonna be sad if it's gonna be a duplicate. It's a duplicate. No, it's not a duplicate. I don't know which one this is. It's the second one. I got the first one and the second one. Okay, now we're gonna open the one Benjamin gave me. Thanks, Benjamin, for both of them. Let's open. It's okay. I got this This is so hard to open. Did I get like a good one then? Okay, we're gonna we're shipping that I got. I don't know what's called. It was saying, but I hope I got a good one. I hope I get a good one or a rare, whatever you want. Okay, let's see which one this is. Ooh, I got the last one. I got this one. Okay, now I have one more. It's the Series 1 from Benjamin 2. Thank you, Benjamin. Do they all glow in the dark, or is it just one? They all glow in the dark. That's so cute. Okay. Well, I want this open. Well, it's opening now. Okay. Okay. Let's hope this is good. Let's see. Okay. I wonder what this is. Imagine it's a rare. I shouldn't get a rare. Oh, it's the one that's sitting on the shelf. Oh no, yeah, it's the one that's sitting. It's my little Smisky. So this is my little Smisky edition now. Thank you.